Logan is getting ready for his first swim of the year at the Marble Quarries in Dorset, Vermont. Water's still pretty cold, but he's gonna brave it out. Isn't that right, Log?
He's gonna jump off this cliff!
Log, or Lita, you gonna jump?
Hey Nana and Papa, I'm gonna take my first jump. It's been a long time until I swam into the water, but it's still pretty cold, but I'm still gonna jump because I don't care. But my sister, she's not gonna jump, but she just has a floaty, so that way just in case she does fall, she can swim. And I hope you have a great day.
Ready for you,
and
Mom, whenever you're
I'm ready.
How you doing? You okay? Pretty cold, huh?
Come here. We love Daddy. This water's cold.
Oh, you're helping me? Oh, thank you.
Look. Hey, Mommy, I love you, and I love you both. And I hate the devil. I love you, everybody.
You got a lot better yesterday.
Mwah.
What happened?
I love you, everybody.